Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today our vocabulary words will be from 136 to 150.
Our first word is prime, matlab bunyadi. Meanings are of the first importance, demanding the fullest consideration, of the greatest relevance or significance. Sentence is, domestically the Prime Minister maintains the dubious line that he is the only man who can keep the still fragile peace. Synonyms are galvanize, groom, inform, innervate, motivate, move, notify, prep, provoke, rehearse, stimulate, tell, train, break in. Antonyms are dissuade, forget, hide, listen, secret, stop, neglect. Next word is placidly, aram se, sukoon se, pleasantly calm or peaceful, unruffled, tranquil, serenely quiet or undisturbed. Sentence is, he was a man of quick temper, and perhaps he would not have taken it so placidly as I did. Synonyms are serene, collected, composes, limpid, unruffled. Antonyms are audibly, loudly, publicly. Next word is peered, झांकना या हम मर्तबा भी होता है peered. Meanings are to look narrowly or searchingly as in the effort to discern clearly. Sentence is, they peered out into the gloom from Battery Park and could not make out her form. Synonyms are squint, look closely, earnestly, try to see, look through, narrowed eyes, narrow one's eyes, screw up one's eyes, crop up, emerge. Antonyms are look casually, see, have a bird's eye view. Propelling, हरकत करना, to drive or cause to move forward or onward. Sentence is, I pushed down on the paddle with my right leg and instead of propelling myself forward, I topple over sideways. Synonyms are spur, drive, prompt, precipitate, catapult, motivate, force, impel. Antonyms are discourage, dissuade, pull, repress, end, finish, stop, hinder. Next word is passion, jazba. Meanings are a strong or extravagant fondness, enthusiasm, or desire for anything. Sentence is, the young brother would try everything in his power from a distance to subdue the roaring flames of passion. Synonyms are fervor, ardor, zeal, warmth, animation. Antonyms are apathy, calm, calmness, coolness, dullness, happiness, indifference, lethargy, peace, advantage, benefit, cheer. Next word is promptly, फौरी तौर पे. Meanings are ready in action, quick to act as association demands. Sentence is, resources were promptly utilized in order to rescue the victims of the accident. Synonyms are quick, quickly, readily, right away, without delay. Antonyms are slowly, late, negligently. Next word is practically, अमली तौर पे. Meanings are in effect, virtually. Sentence is, in that country at that moment, the terrorists have practically disappeared. Synonyms are almost, nearly, very nearly, virtually, just about, all but, more or less, not far from, close to, in effect, as good as. Antonyms are far, not close. Next word is prone to, अंदेशा होना, डर होना. Having a natural inclination or tendency to something, disposed of, liable. Sentence is, he is prone to go abroad next month. Synonyms are susceptible, vulnerable, liable, inclined, given, subject. Given, subject, disposed, predisposed. Antonyms are indifferent, unwilling, disinclined, independent, opposed, unaccustomed. Next word is paraphernalia. Zati samane zarurat. Meanings are equipment, apparatus, or furnishing used in necessary for a particular activity. Amanda's swimming paraphernalia have been missing since morning. Synonyms are equipment, stuff, things, apparatus, tackle, implements, tools, utensils, materials, appliances, rig, outfit, accoutrements, appurtenances, impedimenta, miscellaneous articles, odds and ends. Antonyms are chachaki, useless things, nothing, etc. Next word is prerogative. तासुब पसंद or swabdidi ikhtiyar. It's a noun. Meanings are an exclusive right, privilege, etc. exercised by virtue of rank, office, or the like. Sentences: it is entirely the government's prerogative to accede to these requests or not. Synonyms are exclusive, right, requisite, privilege. Antonyms are duty, obligation. Next word is path, rasta. Meanings are a way beaten, formed or trodden by the feet of persons or animals. Sentences: we should adopt the right path. Synonyms are avenue, direction, highway, lane, line, passage, pathway, procedure, rail, road, roadway, route, street, track, trail, walkway, artery, beat, boulevard, byway. Antonyms are closing, blockage. Next word is precision, ठीक. Meanings are the state or quality of being precise. Sentences: the laboratory tests were not conducted with precision. Synonyms are preciseness, accuracy, nicety, rigor, exactitude. Antonyms are carelessness, disregard, ignorance, inaccuracy, inattention, inexactness. Next one is pizzazz, dilkash andaz. Meanings are energy, vitality, vigor, attractive style, dash, flair. Sentences: she is liked by her pizzazz manners around. Synonyms are dynamism, oomph, zing, allure, charisma. Antonyms are idleness, impotence, inability, inactivity, incapacity, incompetence, indifference, ineffectiveness, lack, laziness, lethargy, lifelessness, powerlessness, reality. Next word is potential. मुमकिना या इस्तेदाद या ताकत. Meanings are capable of being or becoming. Sentences: potential energy is unique in kind. Synonyms are electric potential, expected, latent, likely, possible, potency, potential, difference, potential drop, potentiality, prospective, voltage. Antonyms are impotence, inability, incompetence, weakness, impossible, lack. And last word is qualitative, सलाहियतों से मुतालिक. Meanings are pertaining or to concern with quality or qualities. Sentence is: for us there was a big kind of qualitative leap on this record. Synonyms are having to do with quality or qualities, excellence, fabulous. Antonyms are quantitative object.
At the end of the lecture, I hope you have understood all the vocabulary words very well. Best of luck.